What's up, guys, and thanks for coming back to Bronco Adventures. And today, our friends at Next Gen Bronco Parts and Accessories hooked us up with a winch for the Bronco. But my question for you is, does this winch make our Bronco look big? You tell me. Winch plate. Winch plate. Let's make the two become one. But first, let me tell you what you get in this package. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, I opened it up because I was just way too excited. I had to check this thing out, but let me show you now. And there it is, out of the box in all its glory for you to see. Let's talk about what you get. Warren sets you up to where you have all the necessary mounting hardware to mount this to whatever mounting system you have on your vehicle. We went with a JCR off-road winch plate. And if you want any information on that, just go check out our last video. It's right there. As far as what we're doing today, we're talking about the winch, and then we're going to install it. You get a sweet fair lead that comes with this Warren winch. I'm excited about it. Nice smooth surface to where your synthetic rope isn't going to be riding on any rough material. That thing's going to look sweet. I can't wait to have this installed. It's going to be awesome. Then Warren also hooks you up with a good 3/8 hook. It's pretty good quality. They can give you a little red tag to, pull on that so you don't have to hold on here. That's nice. Looks like it's just held on with a cotter pin. So installing that should be pretty easy. They also give you plenty of cable. So it doesn't matter if your battery is on the right side or the wrong side. You can put it on whichever one. And routing it's up to you. It's just easy. You figure out how you want to do it and you just do it. Now, Warren offers a really cool feature. We haven't got it, but it is an option. It's something I want you to know about. You can hook up a little Bluetooth box to this winch, and now your winch controller button, thing, typically you have this cord that goes from your winch all the way into your rig, and then you get your button. Well, Warren decided to think ahead. You hook up the Bluetooth option, and now all you have to have is you can put this in your pocket and keep it with you all the time. You can, do it over here, over there, back here. It's pretty cool that you can run this winch via Bluetooth and not have to worry about cables getting caught up on anything. I think that's definitely an option that we're going to have to add to this at some point because it sounds really nice. Now, the meat and potatoes of what we're here doing. The Warren VR Evo 10S. The S is standing for synthetic rope. Now, you get plenty of rope in this spool. You're dealing with 3/8 diameter rope. And as it stretches and gets tighter and tighter, you have more strength to it. It's pretty neat. The old winches, and you can still get winches with cable on it, but cable's more prone to breaking. That's what I hear. You don't have to worry about that here. 10,000 pounds is what this winch is rated for. You can get different ratings for what your application needs. But in our case, 10,000 pounds ought to move this land anchor if we ever need it to, unless we get real stucks. But that's why you always have buddies. So the cool part with this winch, 2 wires to hook up. Hook up your positive and your negative, and it's all plug and play. Throw a few bolts in the bottom of here, mount it to your winch mounting system, and you're go to the trail, get stuck. Let's try it out, you know. So I think that's enough talking about the winch. Let's actually get to installing it. Huge shout out to Next Gen Bronco Parts and Accessories for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's install this thing. Come on. So, of course, the first thing we're going to install is, you know, purely looks based for me because I'm excited. So, the fair lead mounts onto the front with just simply 2 bolts. They are 3/4 inch bolts. Literally take and put washer, lock washer, tighten it down on. So let's do that. Now you just, you know, get your tools and tighten them down. There you go. There's step 1. Now for step 2, you got to take these nuts that are square and they go inside the bottom portion of the housing of the winch. Literally just take these guys, they slide right in. There's 4 of them. They lock in there, so that way when you're tightening it up, you don't have to get a tool in there. You just simply shoot your bolt through and you're good to go. Now that you've got the winch set in place, you just want to make sure to pull your cable out. All I did was open it up, pulled a little extra, lock it down, might as well. Then you want to make sure that none of your cables are pinched or bound on themselves, so just get those out of the way. Then from, you know, beneath, you got to just take your bolts and fish them up in there to where you can get it all the way into those nuts you just slid into the body of the winch. Now that you've got your bolts started, tighten them up, you know, make sure they're in there. Just like that. Winch be mounted to our Bronco. That's pretty cool. Now the part that everybody wants to see, you know, don't worry about the wiring. We need to put our hook on. We know that we need the hook to tow things, so let's put the hook on. Pop out the cotter pin, drop out the little actual retaining pin, and then just shoot your hook through here. Put that back how it was. Pops up through. Take your cotter pin, put it in there, and boom. Just like that, you've got a hook on your Bronco. It's awesome. Alright, now let's wire this thing up. It's pretty easy. 2 wires. Now all you got to do is just route your positive wire from the winch to the positive on your battery. And then the negative cable that they send with it, you just simply route that from the back side of the winch here to the negative on your battery. Now this part's up to you. Do you want to run your wires just wherever they land and you're good, you know, happy with that? Fine, do it. If you're like me and it's going to bother you to see them in the least amount possible, then take your time with this and try to hide your wires from plain sight. We already took and kind of found a pathway on the Bronco to where we didn't have to pull anything off of here. We've already got our negative cable looped up to our battery and then also the back side of the winch, like magic. Now we got to do it another time, like magic. So take your time with your cable routing. Also, don't just shove these cables in there. This insulation's thick, but if you strip it down, it could cause you problems over time. So take your time with this part. Once you get them up here, we'll show you how to hook them up. Come on. And I got my wires routed, you know, because I'm picky, to where you just can't see much of them. But they're in a good enough location that if I need to pull them out for any reason to work on stuff, we can easily do so. So we've got our positive and our ground sticking up, negative, whatever you want to call it, right there. The first thing I want to do is connect the negative cable to the back of the winch itself. There's just a 13 millimeter nut. Once that nut comes off, you just slide this right over and then tighten everything down. Now all you have to do is locate on your battery. And Bronco's awesome enough that it, you know, accessory ready. They put in terminals off of the positive and the negative side of the battery already because they knew people like you and I would be putting winches on our Bronco. Super cool. So I'm going to utilize this positive port right here. It's just a 10 millimeter nut we'll take off, and then our cable should reach up to that just fine. And then I'm going to utilize also 10 millimeter off of the negative side of the battery as well. That's fine. It's a Bronco thing. I think as long as you get the, red on the red side and the black on the black side, it's fine. The order that you go in. But again, I don't know. So you should just let me know. Perfect. All right, now I'm going to probably notch this cover just a little bit so it goes down without biting on the wire too bad. And then let's see if this winch works. And there you have it. You got your wiring hooked up. You got your winch mounted to your vehicle. Now, let's see if this winch winches. Just plug in our cable here. We got the on light. That's nice. This looks like is the winch in, and then this is out, maybe, or locked. Nope, that's winch out, and this is winch in. Woo! Look at that. Keep your fingers out of that area. That'll just hurt. Just like that. Woo! The Bronco's got a winch. Now when we get this thing stuck, at least we can, help ourselves out versus just being totally dependent on buddies. But now we can pressure our buddies to get stuck, and we'll help them out and return the favors. Let's really test this thing out. Come on. Wait, what? You haven't heard of Next Gen Bronco parts and accessories? Hey, don't tell your wife. Turn your volume down, because if she hears, you're going to be in trouble. They sell wheels. They sell bumpers. They sell light bars, exhaust systems. You name it, they've got it for your Bronco. It's awesome. Keep it between you and I. Don't let your wife hear. But I'll link it in the description below. You can check out Next Gen Bronco parts and accessories for yourself. Don't shoot the messenger. Now come on. Yeah, we should have got a winch a long time ago. This is fun as hell. What else can we tow around? Huh, let's find out. This is awesome. They call me Captain Jack. How much fun can you have with a winch in your shop? Because we're having a great time. There you have it, guys. The Warren VR10S Evo installed on our brand new Bronco. We can't be happier with this. We're super excited. We've had this Bronco stuck more times than we would like to admit. Now we've got the power to get us out of a sticky situation. Huge shout out to Next Gen Bronco Parts and Accessories for sponsoring today's video. Now, we had some fun with this here in the shop, but real world applications are going to be a lot better. So, we'll try to get this Bronco stuck, and we'll give you a review of what we think of the winch when we are actually able to use it. Or, we're going to get a buddy stuck, and we're going to get them recovered with our Warren winch. For now, you guys get off the couch and go create an adventure. We'll see you next time.
Bronco Adventures.